Hello and welcome to another cooking rodeo with the Tater Cowgirl. And a happy Thanksgiving. It's one day before Thanksgiving and I thought I have to check in with you and show you at least a little recipe. Turkey wise, my husband is deep frying the turkey outside on the porch, so they have turkey, but all the sides are under my control. And as you know, I'm whole plant based, follow Dr. McDougall's diet, and a lot of people ask me, oh my god, what gravy are you making if you don't eat meat? So I'm showing you today the gravy I'm making and everybody likes. You can eat it with the turkey or without like I do, but that's up to you, okay? So let's go down and get started. Hold on. You are on the side of my oven today. Yeah, you see everything? So what we need, first of all, we turn on the pot. We need 2 cups of vegetable broth, and I show you which one I use. For that recipe, I use the no chicken base. As you know, I have 2 further ones. I have the vegetable base, and I have the roasted garlic base. So all 3 would work, doesn't matter. But the no chicken base, I think for that recipe, for a kind of Thanksgiving turkey flavor, that fits the best. So now we add 3 tablespoons of tamari sauce. Oh, and my recipe is based on Dr. McDougall's golden gravy, but I have a little bit more, I have a twist on it. Different spices to accommodate the taste of the turkey eaters. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons tamari sauce. Then we need 2 tablespoons tajin. Tajin, probably know it. See, it's already starting to boil, come to a boil. Then we take half a cup of the brown rice, black pepper and salt to taste, and I have I use a little bit of marjoram leaves. The marjoram leaves gives you that earthy flavor you get, you know, it's kind of from the giblets everybody likes so much. And of course we are not using that, but a 1/4 teaspoon marjoram leaves gives you that kind of earthy flavor in it. Then I use a 1/4 teaspoon poultry seasoning. That's up to you, up to taste, how much you want to use. And this one is the one they rub the turkey with before they put it in the deep fryer. So I want to have a 1/4 teaspoon of that all-purpose seasoning, bold and smoky Kingsford on it. Now we get the pepper out. And salt, I would put salt all the way to the end, because I don't know how much you need. We don't need much. I put a little pepper to taste in it. Not much. And you can always pepper later on again. Okay, so it has boiled. What we need now is half a cup of rice flour. And if you don't have rice flour, you can grind your rice in the coffee grinder. I know people who do that. Okay, put that a little down. And you put that one in. The rice flour doesn't lump like it. If you do that with flour, normal flour, wheat flour, it lumps in the gravy. Rice flour doesn't lump. And now we put it on low. taste it. Put it out. No salt necessary. I wouldn't put any salt on it. You can spice it up with cayenne or anything you need. But this is the gravy. And it's a top gravy. I can tell you. Let's see if we have a... No, I don't. I'll show you. Put the recipe on. You see that? Thick. Oh, one trick. How you know that the gravy is thick enough? If you can make with your finger a slit in it, and it stays like that, the gravy is thick enough. I usually do that with the cooking spoon. It's good. That's it. And that's my little short Thanksgiving recipe to you. And I just want to let you know, I have a lot of saying thank you. It was a riot this year in California with all the mandates and all the concerns we have with our kids being mandated to get vaccinated in school in the next school year, and you know, everything that happens. But I'm grateful that because of that I found to God, and through God I found a church in Gilroy. I put the link down in the description what I'm grateful for. I also found a barter group. I found a homeschool group. So I'm not so scared anymore of the things which will definitely come in 2022. So we have options. There's always the options to move also, sell the house and move. But we also have options to protect everybody who does not want to get vaccinated from what's going on here. And I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for you watching my YouTube movie. I'm grateful for Voice for Choice advocacy, Christina Hildebrand, who gives us all the legislative information, and also lobbies for unvaccinated people in Sacramento. And I found my trust back, that somehow I can trust in God and He will fix this stuff. And I don't worry anymore of what's going on next year so much. Sometimes I'm worrying, but not so much anymore like I did. It also shows the effect on my health. I'm not worrying so much, so my glucose doesn't go up so much anymore. And thank you for everybody for your support. And I wish everyone a healthy and happy Thanksgiving. Bye. And as they say in California, peace out. Pow. One more thing. If you, like me, forgot to turn off the oven before you put the rice flour in, you might have a few lumps, but just put it through the strainer and it just looks perfect. Look at that. No lumps in my gravy, okay? So just to let you know, turn off the oven before you put the rice flour in and start mixing it up, okay? Bye.